Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Jessel Joy Perong, 36 years old, married with 2 kids. I'm secondary graduates. My first work, I was a nanny and newborn baby in Kuwait for 2 years, year 2015 to 2017. My main duty is cleaning her room, washing her clothes, ironing, feed her, bath her, and change diaper. And I have also work experience in Philippines as a nanny and newborn baby for 2 years, year 2018 to 2020. I'm honest, trustworthy, obedient, and hardworking. Mom, sir, if you are going to hire me, I promise to finish my contract and I will extend if you need me. And I will treat like my own family. And I will learn to speak Cantonese and cook more Chinese food. Thank you and God bless.